Hi, this is Dr. Gil Suarez here with my friend Crash. So, Crash suffers from the same exact thing that all of my patients do: snoring and obstructive sleep apnea. And what that is when your airway closes while you're asleep and you totally stop breathing, and then we all awaken ourselves again by snoring or coughing, and then we go back to sleep, and then your airway closes again, and you do that repeatedly all night long. That's basically what obstructive sleep apnea is. Now, I can't help Crash, but I can definitely help any of you. So please give our office a call.